Leaning label plus 20 degrees per 80 degrees comes with a unique barcode for easy track. It detects tilt angles as low as 20 degrees and 30 degrees. Its specially designed grooved slot also prevents the bead from rolling back, keeping the result clear and reliable. Includes a free companion label marked, "This side up." To mount the indicator, keep it upright as you peel off the backing and press it firmly onto the shipment. Next, place the large companion label beside the indicator. Write down the maximum tilt angle allowed during transport. Finally, attach a second indicator to the adjacent side for 360-degree monitoring. And that's it, the installation is complete. When the shipment tilts, the bead moves into the matching slot to show the tilt angle. Let's see how the leaning label plus 20 degrees per 80 degrees responds when the shipment tilts. Next, let's see what happens when the shipment overturns completely. If the allowed limit is exceeded, the receiver can quickly check for possible damage and take action.